So in my first video on dual forms, you guys requested that I use the Madam Glam gel, specifically use the builder in a bottle. So I've pushed back my cuticles and now I'm applying a primer. Then you're gonna go in with a base coat. I failed to mention this in my first video, but if you guys haven't seen that, you can click over here in the right-hand corner to watch it now. Now, one of the reasons that I wanted to try this product in particular with this technique is because I really like it for overlays. And as I mentioned in the last video, I really prefer these dual forms for overlays versus extensions. As you can see, this gel is very stringy. If you are a beginner, this should make application a little bit easier. Remember, you want most of your product in the center, and then you want it to thin out as it reaches the sidewalls and around the cuticle line. I use a liner brush to just kind of move the gel where I need it. I'm going to apply the form to my nail at a 45-degree angle, coming in at the cuticle first, and then pressing down, making sure that there's no air bubbles. And my main issue with these gel forms, or at least one of them, is that you can't really maneuver well when doing this. You really need to hold down the form while you're curing it, but then your hand is in the way. You might find this a little bit difficult. And I have to say that the first thing that I noticed is that this gel, although it's pretty firm, is not firm enough for this. And as you can see, I got a little bit of leaking around the cuticle. The closest you can get to a perfect extension or overlay, the less work for you to do later. The artwork takes long enough, so we want the basics to be pretty simple. So if you guys have any questions, feel free to put them in the comments. I know I keep telling you guys this, but I am taking questions for the Gel 101 video because that is coming in a matter of weeks. I'm trying to get it done really soon, but it's gonna be a long one.